Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm showing you something on the Punto, which is your deadlocking and your auto locking when you hit 50 miles per hour. Now the deadlocking is super simple. All you do is obviously you've got your key, and this is the first lock, so that's just a normal lock. But then if you unlock it again and then press this button twice, you'll see it locks again and flashes the lights again, so like that. Then it does it twice. So that's the deadlocking part. Now I'll show you auto lock. So to turn on auto locking in the Punto, so when you reach 15 miles per hour, the doors will just lock themselves. So how to activate it, if you go using these buttons over here, so you see it says menu ECU, press menu ECU, comes up with menu, and then you use the plus and minus arrows over here, like that. So you've got passenger airbag, service, button volume, buzzer volume, language, units, auto close. Now you want to go to auto close, so press menu ECU again, like that. So just press it. It says traveling. You then want to press traveling again, and then it says on or off. If you turn it on, it then auto locks the doors at 50 miles per hour. If you want it off, you turn it off. So I want it on, so then I press menu again, like that, and then it takes you back to auto close, and then you've got your other settings like C radio, time, day, trip B, speed beep, and just exit menu. And that is how you lock your doors when you hit 50 miles per hour automatically.